Good day, and welcome back to Tech Tips and Fixes. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ron. I'm a retired electronics and instrument tech who, during my career, I kicked around doing all kinds of things: electronic servicing, training, tech writing, and a bunch of other techie stuff. But probably the thing I like the best to do is to fix. Whether it's an amplifier, a musical instrument, an electronic controller, or even my robot vacuum, whatever. I just like bringing stuff back to life, keeping it out of the landfill, and getting some more value out of whatever I'm getting to work on. So that's what this channel is about. If you enjoy that kind of thing, if you'd like to pick up some tips of things that I might have learned along the way or share them back with me, that would be great. Thanks for stopping in, and I hope you keep watching. Enjoy.